dos, tres. So I used to think that the virtual program thing was not going to work, that it was going to be hard to replace what we already had in school. But it's amazing how after a few days, Ximenita, Matias, they love seeing their friends. They love getting together with their teachers. They are actually working on things. I, as a mom and my husband, we're learning a lot about the objectives and what they should be learning. Teachers have been super patient, like teaching us parents how, with very simple things in our routine, we can actually have a huge impact in their development. And the best thing is not only that we have learned, but as they are learning, we're having a blast. Activities are simple. They love it every day. They connect happily. It's easy. I don't have to get things that are complicated. And of course, these last 2 months would not have been the same without Pre-K to go and all the support from the teachers and the team. It has been amazing for our family. It gave us routine, it gave us structure, but in a fun way, in an engaging way. And we definitely still feel part of a community. It's a virtual community, but it's been a ride, and every day I keep surprising myself about things that I thought virtually you could not do, and now I see her and the siblings having a great time, engaging, excited about their new sessions, sad when a friend is not there, and happy to see their teacher. So thank you, Pre-K to go. You have saved my life.